Aku ganti baju balik lagi. Ah, aku ganti baju balik lagi karena aku masih semangat live. Lanjut aja live-nya hari ini. Kita nggak usah selesai-selesai gitu loh. Kayak live aja terus sampai sampai capek gitu. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my live again. Yeah, I just changed my clothes because why not? Nanti takut kena ban AI lagi. Okay, guys. So, today we're going to continue to read news, right? Obviously. So, this is the heading that I chose today. Okay, this is the heading that I chose today. So, Indonesia launches nationwide waste cleanup drive. Great. Yeah. So, oh, by the way, you guys know that we do have a waste problem, right? I think in Indonesia, I mean, in most of the world, we probably have a waste problem. In Indonesia, it's particularly bad. From my observation, yes, there is a lot that we can do to make it better. Okay. We can do as an individual, and what is it called? The government can do. Okay. So let's just start reading the news, okay, guys? So here, Indonesia launches a nationwide waste cleanup drive. Okay. Indonesia meluncurkan gerakan bersih-bersih, cleanup, alright? Drive, cleanup drive is like gerakan yang untuk bersih-bersih gitu, like oh yeah, started again. Hi, I'm back. Okay, nationwide itu nasional, of course, yeah, everybody knows that. Yes, cleanup drive, gerakan untuk bersih-bersih gitu. Okay, there we go. Yes, I think the key word that we can learn from here is launches. Yes, atau launched, HED, right? Launched, it basically means that you officially memulai sesuatu, ya. Start something, ya, secara official mulainya. So it's launch. Okay? Understood? Ngerti? Yeah, so for example, like the cleanup drive or a voluntary program or a volunteering program, itu kan you can say launch gitu. This is the picture. Every time I see a picture like this, it's kind of sad, yeah, because my question is, how did the trash end up there in the first place? How did the trash end up in the river in the first place? There has to be someone throwing trash away into the river, and it makes me upset, okay? It makes me upset that people are throwing trash into the river. Nantilah, I'll talk about it later as we continue to read the news, ya. So, ngelihat gambar kayak gini, it makes me upset. Kayak yang aku bilang ya, itu bikin aku sedih gitu ngelihatnya. Kenapa banyak sampah di sungai? Why? What's happening, right? Okay, so, yeah, I've never voluntarily joined something like this, but I don't know where I could sign up. Maybe I should do that in the future, ya. Kalian juga, maybe you should do that in the future too. Sign up volunteering to clean up the river or something. I think it's interesting. Or a beach, yeah. Okay, let's continue. One of the waste cleanup activities carried out by the Ministry of Environment, KLH, in collaboration with local governments and communities through the National Waste Cleanup Movement on Friday, October 24th. So kemarin, yesterday. Today is Saturday, yes? Okay, so this is the description of the picture. Yeah, one of the waste cleanup activities. Yeah, salah satu kegiatan bersih-bersihnya, yeah, obviously you can see, carried out by the ministry, yang dilaksanakan atau dilakukan, ya. Carried out, dilaksanakan atau dilakukan oleh the Ministry of Environment, Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup, yes? In collaboration. Apa itu collaboration? In collaboration with. Collaboration itu artinya kerjasama, ya, working together, right? Dengan local governments, pemerintah daerah, ya, pemerintah daerah, communities, komunitasnya, through the National Waste Cleanup Movement, melalui gerakan bersih-bersih sampah nasional, gitu ya, on Friday. There we go. Let's continue. So, Indonesia's Ministry of Environment, Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup, yes, Kementerian Lingkungan Hidup Indonesia, has launched a national waste cleanup movement. Telah memulai atau meluncurkan ya, memulai a national waste cleanup movement to boost collaboration. What is boost? Untuk meningkatkan, right? Atau mendorong, ya. Boost, meningkatkan, atau mendorong. Okay. Collaboration, yes, and accelerate, dan mempercepat, accelerate the country's shift towards modern waste management. Okay, what is shift here? Perubahan, yes, ya, untuk mendorong peralihan negara menuju pengelolaan sampah yang modern, ya. Waste management itu kan pengelolaan sampah, right? Yang modern. Modern maksudnya apa ya? Oke, we'll see. Kalau nggak salah tadi aku skim reading di bawahnya ada kayak sampahnya mau dipakai untuk power plant apa gitu, nggak tahu, nanti kita baca. Oke. Pengen bersin. Oh, I don't forget to upload it on YouTube. I'm just a little bit late ya. Kemarin I already uploaded the other video on YouTube. You guys should watch it. Okay. Thousands join the initiative across multiple regions. Okay. Ribuan orang join, bergabung, the initiative, dalam inisiatif across multiple regions. Ya, di berbagai daerah. Di berbagai daerah, yes. Including, termasuk Sumedang, Lebak, Bulukumba, Tangerang, Cimahi, Sorong, Cilegon, and Cianjur. Oh, it's a lot. That's a lot. Okay. Representing government institutions, ya, merepresentasikan atau mewakili, ya, government institution, instansi pemerintah, ya, schools, community groups, sekolah, community groups itu kelompok-kelompok masyarakat, yes, and the public, dan juga masyarakat umum. Oh, ini pengumumannya di mana ya? Kok aku nggak tahu, aku nggak tinggal di kota-kota ini ya, gitu ya. Cuman maksudnya ya, pengumuman program-program ini lihatnya mana? Di IG kah, di Twitter kah, atau di website resmi mereka gitu. That's the thing that I don't know. Okay? Right. There we go. Let's continue. Okay. So, moving on. Waste management. I'm going to write it down. Tadi belum ditulis ya. Waste management. Pengelolaan. Pengelolaan sampah. Oh, hampir typo. Okay. Waste management cannot be done alone. Tidak bisa dilaksanakan sendiri. Yeah, I think it's a group effort. Yeah. Cooperation between central and regional governments. Okay. Kerjasama, cooperation between central and regional governments. Yes. Antara pemerintah pusat dan daerah, alongside itu serta gitu ya, yang terjadi bersamaan dengan, kayak gitu ya. That's what it means basically. Alongside. Okay, alongside artinya serta atau juga gitu ya, yang terjadinya bersamaan. There we go. Community participation, partisipasi komunitas atau masyarakat yang tinggal di situ ya, is essential. Itu penting. Ya. Okay, Environment Minister Hanif Faisal Nurofik said. Okay, this is what he said. Okay. Lanjut. He added that strong collaboration is key to sustaining environmental cleanliness and restoring natural functions. Okay, artinya apa tuh? Okay. He added that strong collaboration, ia menambahkan bahwa kolaborasi yang erat atau kuat gitu ya, is key, adalah kunci to sustaining environmental cleanliness. What is sustaining? Sustaining, dan di sini maintaining sama. Ngapain aku tulis samanya? Sustaining and maintaining sama. Itu berarti to keep something going. Ya kan? Jadi terus dijalankan terus menerus gitu. Aku kena ban lagi, kena apa? Aku ngomong apa? aku aku tidak membahas hal yang kontroversial ya. Jadi kalau aku kena ban lagi, aku tidak mengerti. Ini barusan kena lagi notisnya. Oke. Luar biasa TikTok. Lama-lama gue pindah nih. Pindah pindah apa namanya? Pindah platform. This is annoying. Okay. Lanjut. And restoring natural functions, dan memulihkan fungsi alam. Because everybody knows in nature, every single part of nature plays a role, yeah, into keeping our environment, what is it called? Not perfect, yeah, but functioning, gitu. Kalau menurut aku, yeah, well, gitulah guys. Okay. Now, next, the movement exemplifies, yes, the movement exemplifies cross-sector synergy and supports the government's broader goals of transforming Indonesia's waste system into a modern, efficient model. Oh, okay. Susah tuh kalimatnya. Let's translate that one, okay guys? Nah, environmental apa artinya, Kak? Environmental, yang berhubungan dengan alam, ya. Environmental cleanliness. Ini bacanya bukan cleanliness ya, tapi cleanliness, kebersihan. Ya, kebersihan alam, environmental. Understood? Okay. The movement exemplifies. Okay, taruh. Movement kan pergerakannya ya, gerakan ini exemplifies. What does this mean? Exemplifies. It basically means, yes, apa namanya, is a perfect example. Ya, contoh yang cocok itu exemplifies ya. Dia itu menjadi contoh yang cocok. Nah, itu, that's what it means ya. Jadi apa namanya? Gerakan ini ya menjadi contoh yang cocok ya. Cross sector synergy. Sinergi lintas sektor ya. Cross sector, lintas sektor. Synergy itu basically sinergi ya, and supports the government's broader goal, dan mendukung, what is broad? Broad, luas, yes, artinya luas ya, dan mensupport goal itu apa? Tujuan ya, tujuan atau target atau apa ya. Oke. Support tujuan pemerintahan yang lebih luas, yes, of transforming Indonesia's waste system, of transforming, mengubah Indonesia's waste system, sistem pengolahan sampah ya. Ya, sistem persampahan atau sistem pengolahan sampah into a modern, efficient model. Oke, menjadi model yang modern dan efisien. Interesting. Okay. Right. Karena setahu aku kita, satu paragraf lagi baru kita ngobrol, okay? Sorry. Okay. Several local achievements were reported. Okay. Beberapa pencapaian, achievements, di sini achievements, pencapaian, were reported. Ya, lokal gitu. In Sumedang, about 8 cubic meters of organic and inorganic waste were collected at Sandang Market. Satu tempat doang. Okay. In Sumedang, about 8 cubic meters. 8 cubic meters. 8 meter persegi. Yes? That's a lot. Okay. Of organic and inorganic waste. Sampah organik dan inorganik, ya, were collected at Sandang Market. Dikumpulkan dari Sandang Market. Satu tempat. Aduh, banyak ya. Nah, ini juga banyak ya, tulisan achievementsnya apa aja gitu. But I think reading this much, we can already kind of understand the context of what's happening. Ya. Jadi, in my opinion, it's good. It's really good that we have these movements and this initiative to pick up trash once it's already in the river. However, I feel like we need to also educate the public on not throwing trash in the river in the first place, yeah? from my personal experience, dari pengalaman aku pribadi, I was driving a few days ago. Beberapa hari yang lalu, I was driving, right? And I saw an expensive car, kayak mobil yang mahal gitu. The people that should be educated gitu ya. I saw an expensive car roll down his windows and just throw trash out of the window. Ya. Jadi kacanya diturunin, roll down its window, and throw trash out of the car onto the road. Like I saw it and I was shook. I was shocked. I was like, huh, that's interesting, you know? So, yeah, we need to educate the public better on where to throw away our trash, right? And maybe we also need, what is it called? To provide more waste bins. Yeah, more waste bins. So places where we can throw our trash away. So everyone knows, oh, buang sampahnya di depan situ, not here, gitu ya. So I think that's what we need. Whether it's the government's responsibility, whether it's the local community's responsibility, it has to be done. It has to be done, okay? So that's my 2 cents. Taruh aku tulis dulu. That's my 2 cents. Ada yang tahu nggak ini artinya apa? That's my 2 cents. Pernah dengar? Pernah dengar? Ini idiom-idiom gitulah guys. Ya. That's my 2 cents itu artinya kayak itu opiniku. Yeah. That's what it means. Yeah, that's my opinion. That's my 2 cents gitu. Ya, itu pendapatku. Itu juga boleh. Gitu ya. You guys should try to use it. Pakai ini nih. This one. That's my 2 cents. I think that's nice. Yeah. So, what I said before, right? Apa namanya? Teach the public where to throw away trash, gitu ya, or where to dump their waste appropriately, right? You can also teach them not to litter. What is litter? Buang sampah sembarangan, yes? Teach them not to litter. And also improve, what is it called? No, not improve, gitu ya. Like add more public bins. Yeah, add more public bins. Tambahin tong sampah lah intinya ya. Kita kurang banyak tong sampah yang public gitu ya. Yeah. Or waste collection points. Ya, apa? Waste collection points itu apa sih bahasa Indonesianya? Aku lupa. Tempat pembuangan itu loh, kayak tempat pembuangan yang official gitu ya, mungkin disediain oleh pemerintah daerah atau RT RW, I don't know, ya. Like that. So we have to, what is it called? Add more waste collection points and stuff like that, ya. For you guys that live in a complex, yang tinggal in a housing complex, ya. For those of you guys that live in a housing complex, I think the waste management should already be good, yeah? Housing complex waste management should already be good because usually it's taken care of, right? It's taken care of by the community. Biasanya antara RT RW atau ya apa siapapun yang bertugas di lingkungan itu, right? And yeah, but there are some people that don't really live in a big or good housing complex and they don't know where to throw their trash, and yeah, that's a problem, right? So it's nice that there is this initiative, but I think there has to be, what is it called? You know, more being done. Not that I'm saying it's not, but I just didn't read it today. Okay, there we go. Teach them not to litter. Ya, litter itu buang sampah sembarangan ya ini. Litter itu buang sampah sembarangan. Teach them not to litter. Mengajar mereka untuk tidak membuang sampah sembarangan. Basically, that's the translation, yes? Understood? Bins or trash bins, sama aja. Orang ngerti dua-duanya ya. Di sini kan aku bilangnya bins. You can say trash bins, trash cans, sama. Same thing. Okay. Dan aku kena aku kena ban lagi. Nah, karena aku kena ban lagi, kita selesai aja hari ini. Okay, right. Thank you guys for reading this with me. I think you guys kind of learn a bit, yeah, here. Not too many. My target is like 10 words every time. It's fine, yeah. Right? Ya, cepet amat ya emang bener. Karena aku setiap kali ganti berita aku live baru. Karena ini kena ban mulu dari tadi. Jadi kita kayak apa namanya? Stop live. Terus habis itu nanti aku ganti baju lah, apalah, pilih berita baru, mulai live lagi. Kayak gitu sistemnya gini. Karena kita menghindari ban TikTok.